It's better we have our own camp that we trust than a camp of people who are flip-flopping back and imagine I had followed you guys during the ball party. Where for dinner now? Now we carry me go join ADC. After you finish from ADC again, as you people are planning to go back to Labour Party now, I'll come the ADC and you go back to Labour Party again. Yes. So that's why I'm not trying to please anybody. If you see my status updates 2 days ago, you see that I uploaded something about my zodiac sign. You know, as an Aquarius. It speaks clearly to we are people who see the future without doing babalawo work. I told a guy, I think it was 2 years ago, even before Peter Obi joined ADC, that he will move again from Labour Party and that he may not even have a party to run on. We are close to election now. Primaries is in May. You have less than 2 months away. He doesn't have a political party that where he can grab, you know, because except you people want to just. That's why they are begging him to come to AAC. So to make it clear, for those of you who are viewing and recording us, you are free to join AAC online. But the problem that you have in joining AAC is that you must undergo an ideological training. And that ideological training would mean that you have to be purged of your retrogressiveness, your ideological backwardness, and you have to be checked because we do background check before you can qualify to run on here. That's what we did when we fought the first battle to liberate even AAC from his own internal contradictions of people who try to hijack the party. So because of AAC today, a lot of young people who otherwise can't even afford to buy form to run in primaries, because in most political parties you have to buy forms to run in primaries, and after you have won your primaries you still have to buy another 50 million naira form as a candidate. So before you even become a candidate as a councillor in say APC or ADC, even in Labour Party, when they used to, you must have spent over 50 million. In AAC, even if you are poor, we have no problem. If you have, like, look at our senator here. Rock is both a cameraman and an aspiring senator. So, on a serious note, that's what the party is about. The party is an ideological party, it's a revolutionary party. I will make no odds about how soft you are. So, my position, just to address your question, is that if you are still dilly-dallying, if you don't know where you stand by now, we don't need your sympathy. If you don't know where you stand, whether you want to be with Obi or Atiku, or you want to be with Tinubu, or you want to be with Babasha Lawa, you want to be with Malami, you are already behind as far as we are concerned. Because elections are less than a year away. So, but I understand the reason why some of them feel the way. They have been, you know, it's what they call stages of grief.